Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show the Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. By enabling the Bookmarks bar, you can easily access your favorite websites and bookmarks with just a click. So, let's get started. To begin, open Google Chrome. Go to Settings by clicking on the button with 3 horizontal bars on the upper right corner of the browser. This will bring down the main menu. Scroll down and click Settings. The Settings page will load in a new tab. Click on Appearance. This option is located on the left side of the page. Now, look for the toggle switch next to Show Bookmarks Bar. Simply click on the switch to turn it on, and there you have it. You have successfully shown the Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. From now on, you'll see the Bookmarks bar displayed just below the address bar in Chrome. You can easily add and organize your favorite websites for quick access. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.